Are you tired of searching the internet for answer about your symptoms only to end up more confused? Meet SympAI, an AI-powered assistant that helps you understand your health the more smarter way. Millions of people search online when they feel unwell, but most online information is unverified and confusing. We need something better. Introducing SympAI, a generative AI health assistant. Built using Google's Gemini model and advanced vector search, it helps users understand symptoms, explore possible conditions, and get triage advice, all in seconds. This project uses cutting-edge Gen AI techniques like few-shot prompting to identify symptoms, Retrieval-Augmented Generation to find likely conditions, and structured output for clear and useful responses. Let's break it down. First, the model extracts symptoms using few-shot prompting. Then, those symptoms are matched with medical conditions using a vector search or called RAG. Finally, a structured JSON is generated with possible diagnosis and urgency levels. And all these techniques are integrated with Gradio AI. Here is a live demo. Let's say I enter, I have nausea and headache. Within a second, SympAI suggests conditions like migraine, flu, or food poisoning and advise whether to seek a doctor. Important notes: there are some limitations and ethics. SympAI is not a replacement for medical advice. It's an educational tool to help users understand potential conditions. Always consult a healthcare provider. I am planning more exciting features like EHR integration, multilingual support, and even training the assistant on real clinical notes for advanced triage. Try SympAI by yourself using the link provided in the description. Like this project, star it on Kaggle, and subscribe for more AI-powered innovations. Thanks guys for watching the video. I will meet you in the next video with the new topic, and stay curious with AI.